Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G17 Power, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down until you will find the option Apps. Let's tap. Then scroll all the way down to find the option Special App Access, and here scroll down again to localize the option Install Unknown Apps and tap on it. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. It is extremely useful if you want to download the app from a specific website, for example, or from a different app than the Google Play Store. So just find the app. Let's pretend I'd like to download the app from a specific website, and I will use Chrome. So let's find Chrome. Tap on it and tap on the switcher next to allow from the source. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher next to it. And as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.